But the first time you're speaking live in front of camera, camera is right at you, and you're supposed to be speaking a language which is, cricket has a lingo, cricket has a language. It's one thing when you're sitting on a sofa and you're chatting with your buddy and you're saying, he, put up a good score and whatever. But there's a language when you're on television and you're talking cricket. And it took me a while to get used to that language. And I was very blessed and very fortunate that those 6 weeks, it was a 6-week-long tournament. The first 3 weeks, people just bombarded me with negativity and back home. And then I kind of hung in there. I stuck around, and towards the latter half of the tournament, I kind of also got the hang of it. So I had a long enough tournament to change a few people's minds. And also, the people who employed me, they continued to have faith in me, which I'm very grateful for. And they kind of stuck with me, which is why I had that opportunity to change people's minds. So the first few weeks, first 2-3 weeks were very unnerving. People were not nice to me. And people back home, left, right and center, were giving interviews. You know how celebrities ask, so what do you think of that Mandira? She's doing cricket. What is that airhead doing? What is she sitting on that panel talking about? She does, they shouldn't telecast cricket in a manner like that. Fortunately, I was kept away from most of that. And then by the end of it, I'll never forget, Tiger Patodi, he's no more. He was on the panel for the finals. And he came and he met me and he says, people are saying a lot of things about you, but I'm enjoying being on the show with you, and you've grown a lot as we've gone along. And I'll never forget that compliment, because it comes from a very sort of, a good man in cricket. So.
We admire you for hanging in there.
Oh, thank you. Oh, it was tough. And people really gave me a hard time, but yeah, thank you.
We are very happy, we are very delighted to launch the Naturals W, where we have started 12 years before. As an all-women salon, Naturals have now come a full circle. At the 205 salon, we have come back to the Naturals women because we felt the need for an exclusive women salon. My space, my salon is the concept. Women of India today needs an exclusive space. While the gender barrier has gone off in the cities, when we go to the class 1 town and the class 2 towns and the class 3 towns, there all the gender barrier still exists and they need a space which they like it for themselves. That is when we have arrived at this concept. It's nothing new, it has been there all along. Only thing, it is now coming with the Naturals name, and the menu is new. The way in which we provide the service is new, the pricing and the offers are new. We are here to create wonderful 500 women entrepreneurs we want to create in this concept, and 10,000 jobs. Together, let us create a beautiful India. Be rich, be happy. Thank you so much.
I'm Veena of Naturals. We run Naturals Chain of Saloon. Today we are launching the W, which is a women's exclusive saloon. And being Women's Day, we want to launch this new concept. It is an exclusive women's saloon for women franchisees. We will have women service staff, and this concept mainly came up because we found that a lot of women still want privacy when they come to the saloon. So and we also found a gap in the market. So we've gone ahead and launched this. And we are looking at launching around 25 saloons in the next 2 to 3 months. And this would be all in Chennai. And in the saloon la pathina, we have exclusive services for women, in the sense bridal la nariyo good packages we have for women, because normally bridal panikmodu they want that privacy more than going to a unisex salon or women's salon they are more comfortable. Adhe madri pregnant women we've got a lot of services, prenatal services, postnatal services, and so we have a lot of interesting things for women. So please do visit. Thank you.
Naturals has just launched reflexology by the visually challenged. It has given employment. The plan is to give employment to 100 visually challenged persons, train them and employ them in all our salons. Daniel Kish is the president of World Access for the Blind, is our brand ambassador. He is engaged in training and orienting the visually challenged people. It's a great opportunity for the visually challenged, because the touch and the feel sense of them is greater than the sighted person. So we are creating a new trend, a new avenue for the visually challenged in India. This is a great movement and a big industry in the Southeast Asian countries, where we see a lot of reflexology happening in many parts of the world, but this is a new trend in India, and Natural is proud to bring this trend into India. This will create a lot of opportunity for the visually challenged. Thank you.